Hi, I am Alec, the executive producer of Nishango. We'd like to give thanks to 11 Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2021 for selecting our film Nishango in your esteemed film festival. First of all, let me say something about our director and writer. An award-winning writer, director and filmmaker, Kaushik Dotto is attached with a creative world from his young age. He has come up from the stage acting and having 35 years of experience in acting and direction. Presently, he is based in Singapore. However, his work rapidly spreads to the creative world and crossing the borders. As a writer, he has written a timeless play, Hotat Ek Monche, Oporanne, The Dusk, Somporko, The Relationship, Uma, etc. in Bengali, and documentary feature film like Beyond Vision and Singapore, a cultural capital of Southeast Asia in English. His film Nishango alone achieved the Best Story Award, Best Short Film Award and the Best Director Award in various international film festivals. We are currently looking for funding or producer for the next feature film project Oporanne in Bengali, The Dusk. Synopsis of the story is like this. The film Oporanne is based on an intriguing psychological mosaic of a woman, denials and identity crisis, particularly in their middle age. It is especially relevant to those who spend their entire youth in raising a family and managing home, leaving little time for themselves and stereotypically identify as homemakers. The lead character of the story is also a beautiful young woman who befits this description perfectly. Married to a young, handsome and successful man, she devotes every moment of her early life, physical and emotional energy into building a relationship with her new family, living up to her love and commitment and setting up a perfect home. Soon enough, the couple is blessed with a son, and her life now begins to revolve solely around the duties of her role as a mother and a wife. 20 years pass by with a wink of an eye. She is no longer the youthful bride but a mature woman in her middle age. Her husband is a well-established, successful professional. The clinical needs of the child for the mother has slowly begun to minimize as he gets busy pursuing his own dreams and higher studies. In other words, she is no longer needed as she was in the past by either of these two men, which are the husband and son she has dedicated her life to. Everyone in her little world is extremely busy with their own lives, and eventually she begins to suspect that they are moving away from her. Indifferences and distances begin to creep in, raising doubts in her mind around the self-worth, seeking validation on the importance and influence of her existence in her own family. As a result of severe attention seeking, her mental turmoil began to manifest in a strange behavioral outburst and reaction to the world in general. So this is the synopsis of the story. We hope USP of this film will be very high, and we will release this film in India, especially focusing Kolkata and also the rest of the world with English subtitle. If anybody is interested, please email me to the below email ID. Thank you so much, and we wish a grand success of the 11th Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2021. Thank you.